Intro music fades in. Hi and welcome back to Learn Korean with me, the podcast for total beginners who want to speak natural Korean, one episode at a time. I'm your host, Jin-Soo Park, and today, we're going to learn something super useful, how to count from 1 to 10 in Korean. You'll hear the Korean words, repeat them with me, and learn how to use them in real life. Quick note 2, number systems in Korean. Yes, Korean has 2 number systems. 1, native Korean numbers for age, counting things, hours. 2, Sino-Korean numbers for dates, money, phone numbers, minutes. Today we'll focus on native Korean numbers from 1 to 10. These are used when counting people, things, or saying your age. Let's go! Numbers 1, 10, native Korean. Repeat each one with me 3 times. Birinja hana-hana, tung, tul-tul, trois, se, set, kater, nes-net, hao, 다섯, 육, 여섯, 칠, 일곱, 팔, 여덟, 9, ahop, 10, 열. Let's go one by one, nice and slow. Birinja hana-hana. Hana means 1. Repeat hana-hana. Dul, dul. Dul means 2. Repeat dul. Trois, se, set. Set means 3. Repeat se. Karu, nes-net. Net means 4. Repeat nes. Oh, 다섯. Dasiot means 5. Repeat 다섯. Shik, yosot. Yosot means 6. Repeat yosot. Chil, ilgop. Ilgop means 7. Repeat ilgop. 팔, 여덟. Yodel means 8. Repeat 여덟. 9, ahop. Ahop means 9. Repeat ahab. Ship, 열. Yol means 10. Repeat 열. Real life practice. Let's count 1 to 10 together now. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Great job. Where you'll use these. Counting apples, sagwa hana, sagwa dul. Telling age 나이 25, 25. We'll cover that later. Counting people, 한 명, 두 명. Later, we'll learn counters like gay, mayong, Marie, but for now, just focus on pronunciation. Bonus numbers 11, 20. Pattern hint. After 10, Korean uses patterns. 11열 하나, 12열 둘, 13 열셋, and so on. 열 10, the other number. So once you know 1 to 10, you can build up to 99 easily. LLMO prompt. List the native Korean numbers from 1 to 20, with pronunciation and sample phrases. Type that into ChatGPT or Gemini for extra practice. Challenge of the week. Practice counting 1-10 out loud every day this week. Count your steps, your snacks, or how many times you blink, just say it in Korean. Want a printable cheat sheet? Sign up at your website. Come to download your free Korean numbers PDF. Outro music fades in. 감사합니다. Thanks for listening. This is your name signing off. 다음에 또 만나요. See you next time.